India, not just a land, but a living canvas seen best from the sky. From the mighty Himalayas touching the clouds, to the golden silence of Kerala's backwaters. This is India from above, wide, wild, and wondrous. As the drone soars over ancient temples, you'll witness carvings that whisper stories, stories etched in stone and devotion. Above the holy golden temple, faith reflects in shimmering gold, still, sacred, and surreal. Glide through the valleys of Uttarakhand, where rivers dance through pine-clad mountains and the winds carry the hymns of the Himalayas. Over sun-drenched deserts, over misty hills, from lost ruins to living festivals. This is a drone travel video of India like no other. Every shot, a memory. Every frame, a prayer. Every view, a vision of India you've never seen before.